Hey, welcome to another Habanero Addict. My name is Brian Baker, and here's two of my sons, Casey and Riley. And today we're going to try Famous Dave's Wilbur's Revenge hot sauce. Hard to find and hard to swallow. All right, let's pour some out. Okay, it's got a good, thick red texture to it. And who wants to give it a sniff test? I like how it comes in kind of like a little flask jar. What do you think?
It sniffs.
It sniffs? Okay.
Wait, is it made out of glass? It's like...
The jar is made out of glass? Clears your sinuses, huh?
No.
A little bit of a sweet barbecue flavor smell.
Makes my nose itch.
You gonna give it a taste? I think you got some on your nose.
It smells sweet and vinegary.
A little bit of sweet, yeah.
No, not a little bit, a lot.
A lot.
Caution. Hot. No, again, fire! Did you get the fire going?
This is some of the hottest barbecue sauce out there. Looks like it's...
Did you get the emergency fire extinguisher?
No, I didn't have an emergency fire extinguisher. I forgot it. Did you guys survive? Go back for more.
I'm trying not to.
Okay, Casey, your turn.
I'm scared. Drum roll, please.
Okay, try it out. What do you think?
I don't like the taste.
What about the heat? Is the heat too much for you?
It's not that bad.
Not that bad?
Well, I kind of like the taste. Oh, it's not it.
Alright. You cooking up on it yet? Getting a little hot now? Gotta get a good dip on these chicken nuggets. Daddy nuggets. I love this stuff. A little bit salty, a little bit sweet, definitely spicy. The more you eat, the hotter it gets. Probably the hottest barbecue sauce I've ever had, and I've had quite a few.
It's not that bad.
I could only find this in Fort Myers, Florida. That's where we were when we found this. There might be other stores that sell it. I could not find it online, at least not at the time. So if you can find it somewhere else, definitely let me know, because I'm interested in getting some more.
Is that another piece? You're going back for more.
Good stuff. Final review?
You want to do what? Very good now.
Alright. Oh, there you have it. Not too hot for kids to handle, but definitely hot. Famous Dave's Wilbur's Revenge hot sauce. Barbecue sauce. Alright, peace out. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.